Okay, this is field status variant. This is assigned. Fiscal year and posting periods, assigned company to fiscal year variant. Our variant is AA42 and is K4 calendar year and four special periods. Okay. Posting periods define variants. Open and close AA42. Okay, 230. This is okay. Now, from January to December 2023, all of these months are open for posting. Posting for what? Assets, customers, vendors, material, GL, and all accounts. While 13 and 16 months are for adjustment posting, like unplanned depreciation, like withholding tax, unpaid invoices or unposted invoices, adjustments in GRIR, material documents, material returns, foreign currency valuation. This is done after the months are closed. And this is separately mentioned and assigned to authorization group. What is authorization group? Let's say 1142. Now I have this authorization group. I take it from here. I save it. Okay. Then I go to SU01 was net change authorization groups. Over here, I can give double A 42 and my user group does not exist. I'll have to define that first and then, but this is how you assign user groups. Plus, I can also assign user groups in roles where I will have access to transaction codes. So based on this, I can access the special months, special periods, because adjustments are to be made and not every user can do that. SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, ledgers. Next is parallel, not, no, this is not next, but I will go to enterprise structure, definition, controlling, maintain controlling area, maintain controlling area, new entries. Controlling area is equal to company code. Company code is 1142. It will copy chart of accounts, fiscal year variant. Financial statement version INT. Save. Control reading is same as company code. Okay. Save. Next is /n OKKP. OKKP position 8842 Venice. Over here, I gave the cost center hierarchy, which is AA42. It will ask me, it is not made, should it be made? I say yes. Activate components. Yes, again. New entries 2023 cost centers will be active. Project sales orders cost objects. This will be active. Assignment of company codes. Over here, companies which have the same fiscal year, which is calendar year, K4, and same chart of accounts, only that can be mentioned here. Save. Okay. Going to basic data, chart of accounts, and fiscal year. Now I will tell the hierarchy. What is the hierarchy here? Okay. Hierarchy is company, which is mother company. Top node. And then we have operating concern. Operating concern is a cube, a reporting cube. Under company is not under company. Under operating concern is controlling area. Controlling area is profit center accounting, cost center accounting, product costing, cost element accounting. And under controlling area, what do we have? One is too many company codes. Why? Because company codes manage finance, plants, sales orgs, purchase orgs, and under plants you have locations. Under sales org you have distribution centers. So company code extracts all the information and reflects in controlling area. No direct postings can be made in controlling area, but controlling area collects all the information from company codes, from modules like FI, SD, warehouse management plus HCM, and it is reflected here. In controlling area GL equals or reflects or has a mirror copy in controlling, which is called cost elements. Okay, so whatever is posted in GL is reflected in cost elements automatically. And we have cost centers, to capture expenses made on building a product. So at the top level over here, what do we have? A reporting cube, operating concern. It takes all the information from controlling area, plus it gives a 3D view. Why? Because a company wants to see northern area or northern part sales, quantity, overhead, freight, and cost of goods manufactured plus cost of goods sold. Okay, so for example, northern part, I can change this and make it southern part, but I want to see it for January to March or January to February. So we have dimension one, which is time, dimension two, geography, dimension three, right? Based on which this 3D view actually gives a bird's eye view in reporting at the company level. So this is how the hierarchy is defined. So if you want multiple company codes, it is very necessary that we have chart of accounts and fiscally variant same. If, for example, US-based subsidiary has January to December, but Pakistan-based subsidiary has July to June fiscal year, there will be mismatch. July is 07 for US, but 01 for PK. So there is time mismatch. That's why we want uniformity. Okay. So that brings us to the topic of ledgers, which is financial accounting, global settings, ledgers. Ledger, I will come to this later on, but first, parallel valuation approaches. Multiple valuation approaches, transfer prices. This is very important. Basic settings, maintain currency and valuation profile. This is for plants, for material valuation. New entries, AA42 currency plus valuation profile. Details, company code currency will be used, and there are three types of valuations: legal, group, profit center. Next step is assign currency and valuation to controlling area. This interview question, where it is assigned? It is assigned to controlling area. AA42. Over here, you can assign a different currency, USD or PKR, whatever. And currency type is company code currency. AA42. Save. Saved. Maintain description. Now this is currency type. Company code currency, we will look into this, what this is in ledgers. Create versions. Create version. Plan actual version. Plan actual version. Settings for each fiscal year. Integrated planning 2023 version is not locked. Save. LP01 is ready. Execute. Was not active. Okay. SPRO. Financial accounting. Global settings. Ledgers. Valuation approaches. Level of detail. Define valuation clearing account. Posted in company code AA42. Okay, once we make our chart of accounts, GL accounts, we will populate this. We'll keep this for later on. Activation. Set up transfer price and production system. AA42 valuation actual. Enter. Change currency type in controlling area. This can be asked whether it can be changed or not. AA42. You can change the currency over here. Yes. Once this is done, multiple valuation approaches. Controlling area. AA42. Activation. Execute. Material active in valuation area. Okay. Parallel accounting. Counting ledger groups. No. Integration of controlling. Integration controlling. Define document types. Check and define. Posting and controlling. Define ledger for CO version. New entries. AA42. 2 version 0 ledger 0L. What is 0L? This is your base leading ledger, which is only one in SAP landscape. Save. Okay. Global parameters. Oh no. Valuation, basic settings, material ledger settings. This is important. Assign currency types. New entries. AA42. 42. FI currency type. CO currency type. Manual currency settings will be given. Save. Enter. Characteristics will be company code currency will be reflected. Okay. Assign material ledger to valuation area. New entries. AA42. AA42. Save. Save. Activate valuation areas. Activate material ledger. Position. AA42. Price determination will be transaction based or single multi-level. Okay. Material ledger active. F1. Material price is determination is price control V. What is price control V? Average price is valued at moving average price. In single price determination, the valuation price remains unchanged. Periodic unit price is calculated for the material valuation of the closed period. Okay. Save. Save. Check material ledger settings. AA42. Execute. Dynamic price release is not active. Update structure is standard. It is active. CKM9. And next is ledger. Ledgers and currency types. There is one standard ledger across the whole SAP landscape, which is called leading ledger. Only one leading ledger will be there, not more. Rest we can make extension for standard ledger. Why do we need extension in standard ledgers? For various reasons. For currency valuation, for taxation, for accounting principles. If your company or client is reporting in GAAP, but there is a requirement to report in IAS, then we need a standard ledger or an extension ledger. In standard ledger, accounting principles are attached here. Extension and difference between extension and standard is extension is just an extension to leading ledger because it derives value from leading ledger or underlying ledger, which can be a standard. So if leading ledger is in USD, you can have an extension ledger in GBP. So it will just copy the entries from leading ledger and convert it into GBP. So manual postings cannot be allowed. That is an option. Okay. 0L company code. AA42. It's already made here. This is done automatically. Okay, parallel account, accounting principle will be gap, foreign currency, functional currency will be 10, which is company code currency, and save. And accounting principles can be gap 60. IFRS accounting principles gap. Okay, this is done. We're almost done now for today.